So we'll discuss the question paper for PAVE. So in question number 1, sunlight gives us energy in the form of heat and light. Which of the phenomenon is not directly related to this? So they are talking about heat and light. Here benches kept will get heated up. So that is definitely related with heating due to sun. Paper is burned by focusing light on it. Again, burnt is definitely related to heating. That is also correct related to this. First, we'll see the correct which are related, and then we can identify what is the answer. Solar panels are also using the energy. That is also correct. But shadow forming is not related to heat and is not related to giving energy in the form of heat or light. So C is what is the correct answer for first one. So in second one, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but can converted from one form to another, which is not an example of conversion of chemical energy into other form. Burning of a candle, definitely it's converting from chemical energy to heat energy, heat and light. Petrol getting converted, consumed when car is running, definitely again converted from chemical to kinetic energy. Here also chemical energy to heat and light, you can say. Whereas dam, it is basically potential energy of water getting converted to kinetic energy. Cow dung also chemical energy is converted to this. So C is definitely not converted from chemical into something else. So C will be the answer for second one. So if the moving body has kinetic energy, if the motion is increased, kinetic energy increases. Which of the following is not energy conversion in some form into kinetic energy? So final energy is kinetic energy. Car is running means final energy is kinetic energy. Electric car means electric energy is converted to kinetic energy. Petrol car means again chemical energy converted to kinetic energy. Ball thrown by a bowler, again he is using his internal chemical energy to convert to kinetic energy of the ball. Ball is also moving finally. Only in option C, for cooking alone, finally it's not kinetic energy, because finally the rice molecules are not getting any kinetic energy, it's just getting heated up. So C will be the answer for this one also. So if you fill a balloon with air and release this, choose the correct statement. When you release it from rest, balloon will move to the right. Definitely wrong. If you release it, air will come outside, so balloon will move to the left. This statement is wrong. Purpose of the thread is to give balloon more and more kinetic energy. No, thread is to ensure that balloon goes in a straight line rather than zigzag manner. Gases lose kinetic energy. Gases don't lose kinetic energy because the air molecules will anyway be coming out with some kinetic energy. So gases are not losing kinetic energy there. The only thing is the balloon has expanded. So energy is stored inside the elastic potential energy of the balloon. That is converted to kinetic energy. That is the correct statement. And fifth one, battery used in mobile phone converts stored mobile chemical energy into light energy. Yes, definitely battery is emitting light. That is correct. Sorry, mobile phones emit light, so it converts to light energy. We are able to hear the song, so it converts to sound energy also. It converts chemical energy to kinetic energy when it vibrates. Vibration is oscillation, movement of molecules. That is also correct. It converts stored chemical energy into kinetic energy because it gets heated up. But heating doesn't mean it is because of kinetic energy, so this is not correct. So first three statements are correct. Which of the following doesn't happen in home? Electric to kinetic energy, definitely it's happening in fan. Electric to sound energy in TV, speakers, etc. Chemical energy to heat energy, like an LPG cylinder, that itself is an indication. Hint like an LPG is used. Kinetic to light. Kinetic to light energy is not used. Electric to light energy we have in electric bulbs, but kinetic to light doesn't happen. So D will be the correct answer. Some energy change happens very fast and goes uncontrolled. Which of the following process energy conversion is uncontrolled? Food is getting cooked. That is a very controlled manner. This is not fast. Strong winds are used to create electrical energy in windmills. There also neatly we are getting steady electrical output. Otherwise we cannot use it. Train running on electricity. Again we are converting into steady output. Atom bomb exploding. Yes, bomb explosion is uncontrolled. So that is what is uncontrolled. Again like exploding and exploding. In which case wind energy is converted to kinetic energy. Here wind energy is converted to kinetic energy of the ship. That is correct. In other cases, airplane flying, it's not like wind energy is converted to kinetic energy. It's actually based on the principle of Bernoulli's theorem, why airplanes and eagles, they're all able to fly above. Here anyway, like electrical energy is converted to wind energy. So A is the definitely the only case, clear-cut case, which you can explain is an example of this. Which of the following is not reverse of each other? Yes, here electric is converted to wind. Here wind energy is converted to electrical energy. So they are both reverse of each other. Coal power plant, electric room heater. In power plants, electricity is produced. So you are heating and that is converted to electrical energy. Room heater, electric energy is converted to heat energy. Here if you heat coal, that is converted to electric energy. They are also inverse of each other. Again, high speed kinetic energy is converted to heat energy. Here heat energy is converted to kinetic energy. So they are also reverse of each other. So electric speaker producing horn, electric car producing horn. Here both are finally producing sound only. So it's not reverse of each other. So D is the correct statement. Which is not example of electric energy converting into some other energy. Mobile phone getting charged. Yes, electricity is converted to something else. Bulb, electricity is converted to something else. Water, hydropower plant, that potential energy is converted to electrical energy. So this is the only case where final output is input is not electricity. Here also input is electricity. So C will be the correct answer for 10th one. So that's all in this paper. Thank you all.